Alright, in this video I will show you why you have not been profitable yet in the forex market. I'll give you all the 1, 2 to 3, 4 things you're doing wrong, and what many has not been revealing to you. I will reveal them to you and why you should stop doing that. The next thing you should start doing, and see if you'll not be profitable. So this video will reveal to you why you're not be profitable and what you need to start doing henceforth, what you need to change and what you need to input into your stuff that you start seeing yourself being profitable. Listen and follow me through, trying to go into this video till the end and gain what you need to know now and forever be profitable. Alright, welcome back. So I said earlier that what are the things that I'll be revealing to you, things that will make you to be profitable in the market. You know, over time we tends to everybody, you tends to struggle to enter that room, that minute small group, that small percent of traders that are making money daily, profiting daily from the market. Out of the 100%, we have 99% out, just losing money and blowing off, giving their money to the 10%. You know how you can migrate to that 10% of few traders, killing it back to back and making their money cool crazy grand dollars from the market. So how you can jump into this and start becoming profitable, I will be showing you everything today. Now listen up. The things many you have been doing wrong are this. First, you are doing 4 things wrong, and I want you to follow this one by one and let them sink into you and practice it and see if you don't get into profitability. You will thank me later and come into this video and say thanks, Mr. Sam, that I have done a good job for you. Now, good. One thing I see, there are 4 things. Number 1, that I see why many traders are not profitable yet. Profitability, but it doesn't necessarily mean you are making $1 million. For the fact that you can put money into the account, you cannot blow that money. You can make $1, $2, $3, $4. It may take you 1 month, 2 months, but you are making something in a month. You are making that 10%, 5%, 2%. You are profitable. For the fact that you could put that amount into that, you're not blowing it all, then you're profitable. Am I talking to someone? For the fact that these are the things that keeps you, so you can keep them up for 5 months, 6 months. So anyone can invest into you. It means that you not put that account, because you have high tendency that accounts are being blown. You can't give someone else an account, $500 account, and I want to test it for 1 month. This account must not be blown and must be in profit. If you can maintain that account, even with a little profit, then you are a good trader. I'll be confident to give you my money, of course. Because it's very rare for you to see a trader that will maintain such a money and put something on it. So if you are a good trader, it shows you're a good trader. That's why many people buy profits and just blow it off. You keep buying and buying and buying and buying, and that's it. So I'll be telling you today why you should stop being unprofitable and what you should start doing now that will keep you into profitability zone, and now you can start making money from the market. Number 1 thing is this: many of beginners, or will I say intermediate traders, or will I say many who are not profitable yet, what they are doing wrong is this. 1, you have many mentors. This is your mentor A, mentor B, mentor C, mentor D, mentor Z. You are just killing yourself. Am I talking to someone? You are killing yourself. You are knowledge, like you are just putting men into your head. This mentor has his own strategy. This mentor has her own strategy. This also has her own. You are just putting everything. You should not. I should tell people, when I was learning then, I picked someone because I should try to do it, and I realized that this thing is clashing. This one is telling me that you should. I realized this was more or less clashing until someone else said clarity that you have to just pick a mentor, look at someone that resonates with you first. You never want to follow this person's steps and everything. Yes, then pick him and follow him. That is it. That is how trading is. It's about, because trading is still about it comes down to your personality. So chasing a mentor should not be that this one is making money, this one is making money. Now you have your 20, 10, 100, 90, 1,000 mentors. Abba now, what's happening? Abba. I know say you want maker, I know say you want blue, I know say you want be profitable. Each other well understood. But you should what? You should not chase all. Everybody is not a mentor. Stick to one person. Learn everything that makes that person the person. Am I talking to someone? Learn everything that makes that person is the person. His strategies is everything. Learn everything from him. Swallow everything up and see if you are not profitable. Swallow everything about that person. If you know that this person is indeed is profiting, is making something in the market, indeed, of course, follow him up, take his strategy up and everything, and you'll be fine. Of course, we put our strategy there. We tell people, you know, sorry, it's in a template, so we can hand it over to you, send it to you, and you can use it. It's a working strategy that we've been using for many years, that we're using to profit in the market. If you need it, you can comment on the comment section below. I will send it to you. Our team will send that to you. Okay, thank you so much for that. So number one is what? You should stick to just a mentor. If you are done with this mentor probably for 1 or a couple of years, you can move to someone else. Doesn't mean that stick to your mentor for life. No, that is not my question. But if you want to learn from the person and learn for that duration of time till you are exhausted, or you think the person has, you have learned everything that makes the person and you think you can probably move to someone else or learn something else from someone else or stand on your own. You know, that is exactly how it should be. Not that while you're learning from someone, this one you're learning from this one, learning from this one. You just people just such attitude, such traits doesn't make you profitable. It will make you profitable. You just keep prolonging things for yourself. It will draw your years, your days, your weeks, your months of profitability. It will keep drawing it in a longer time. Am I talking to someone? That's exactly what you should not do wrong. What many has done wrong, you should not do wrong. What we may think we have done wrong, should not do wrong. So you can enter profitability stage so fast and so speed. I want you to be. That's why I'm doing this video. That is one. So before I continue, please, if you are enjoying this video, I want you to please just subscribe or support us with your subscription. Like this video, like and comment if you have any questions or any concerns about this. Okay, thank you so much for that. Let's continue, guys. So that is number one. You should stick to what? One mentor. After you've done learning, you can move to someone else, and that's it. During my time, I think I have a foreign mentor. After I have a Nigerian mentor, then after then I have a foreign mentor. That was it. You get. So that's exactly how you should only be. You should not be. You have this one. You have 100 or 1,000 people. You should just. It's not a good one for you if you really want to come into profitability stage in the forex market and industry. That is number one. Number two, I noticed that many beginners or intermediate or anyone, you see them in all groups. What's happening? We are always in all groups. The forex market is not about the more you do, the more you. It's not about it's not about paying into all groups. It's not about that. It's not about that. You pick all groups. You pick all signals. Study signals, even though you are in a signal. I do not backlash any signals group. It's fine. I have a signal group, and people are making money from it. Everybody can join signals group. If you are a starter, it's good. It will help you to start up fine. It's normal for beginners or for anyone that is starting up that has not mastered the analysis, the technical, the TA and some other things yet. It's fine. You can go for it. It's not a problem, okay? But what I would just advise, I will always give a good content on quality stuff advice out there. What I will advise is this: any group you belong or you found to, you can move to them. Study them for a couple of months. Look at everything. Does it relate with your pattern of trading? Relate with everything about you? Is it making sense? That everything doesn't make sense? The signal, how win? What is the win rate? What's the accuracy level? Are they really making sense? Are they really good? Are they really doing something? You know, something interesting or funny? You know, those are the things. Also, if you've done that, you can then move to to help you know that then you will stick to the ones you can always stick to. In fact, I learned that even signals or can helps people to shaping and fine-tune their analysis. You get something like that. It will help you. What people is buying, am I selling? What's going on? You know, sort of stuff will also help you. So it's not being in all groups. Being in all groups, but monitor, stay with few that you can always grow with. Am I talking to someone? Stay with so that because trying to do more and more is not about. That's not the thing about in this industry. Trying to be in this one, you don't even know. So by the time the one is dropping, it's going good signals. That's why you are picking. You are picking the one that's dropping the zone bad day signals. I didn't get. By the time you come back, this one got two signals today. You now came back. Oh, when the signal didn't go well, it went bad, and you said the other group is not good. It's not as if it's not good. You are the one being in all groups. You get. So that is so. I always advise that you study. Even though you are in all, you can pause some. Have few that you studied and you know that these are just classify them. These are good to some extent. They are doing fine. Their win rate is good. This and this is fine. You know, these are the things that you should always do. Those are things to help you. It will help you in your profitability journey. It will help you to stay fast and everything like that. That is for that. The third one is what? Trading journal, trading plan first. Trading plan. You guys do not have what you call trading plan. You don't even have how you plan to your market, how you enter, how you exit, your conferences to be met. You don't even if you trade market or counter trend market, if you trade a universal, follow trending market pattern, you don't even know how to trading plan. You do not have it's not a good thing. You cannot gain. See, one thing about mentality is that just copy whatever people are doing and they're making money. Copy it. That's the thing. That's the one thing about secret to success. Don't try to divide your own. Don't try to establish your own. Don't try to build your own concept. If you have copied it and you have excelled, then you can now build up something from what you have successfully did well. Yeah, you cannot build that one from your own. You're fine. You cannot lay a legacy, but you haven't yet. You just trying to come on. Why not copy and paste? Copy what other people are doing and are making their money in the market. Copy them and paste. Am I talking to someone? So if you want to become coming to a profitability, you must have what you call plan, because trading plan will guide you in everything you do in the market. Am I talking to somebody? It will guide you in everything. You guys don't have what you call a trading plan. You don't have a trading plan. You should have a trading plan. And I told us one of my video, I did a video about how to draft a trading plan and everything. I listed it out. You should look it up. It's around this of this video. You should be able to watch it. Okay, it's around this video. You should be able to watch it and go and know how you can draft out a trading plan. Aside from that, if you also need a template on how you can go about your trading plan as well, you can as well comment below, so we can send you the templates on how to have on one by we have about everything that contains inside what a trading plan, what should be in a trading plan. We have everything listed accordingly. Our team can hand that over to you. If you want that, comment that section below. Let me know if you want it, because I won't drop it if you do not request for it. If you really request for it, let me know if you really want this. If I see the comments, any of our team sees that you guys really wanted it, you can see it from the comments. We will definitely hand this over to each and every one of you guys. So that is what you should do, and you should be able to have what, at least a trading plan. Look on this video, click to watch that. The one that's about how to draft what a trading plan for yourself. That is for that. And the last one is what, journaling. This is one of the key important things. I put it as last. But just like a student that was failed today, failed tomorrow, failed next tomorrow, failed. You keep getting failed. You should ask yourself, what am I doing wrong? You cannot be doing something, the wrong thing, and the wrong thing repeatedly and expecting someone else said, and be expecting what, a different result. That you can't keep doing the wrong thing and be in a different way and expecting different result. No, you must be able to do the right thing. If you keep doing that wrong thing, even if it's in a different way, you are doing that wrong thing, you will definitely get it wrong. Am I talking to someone? So you must be able to do the right thing. So look at for it that what exactly am I even doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Most of you guys don't even know what to call. Whenever you win, you're always enjoying. Whenever you win, look at what you did. How was the emotion when you won? How was the emotion? What was this you followed? Did you follow your plan at all? Everything? Look at it while you win. Journal it down. And whenever you lost, how did I lose this trade? So that whenever you are coming back into that trade, you'll be able to handle it much better and much more well. That is how to progress in trading. Because if you are not journaling those stuff down, how you lost, how do you handle the market? Go back to the market again and look at it. Oh, I was impatient. Oh, it was FOMO. Then I need to conquer FOMO. I was just impatient to FOMO. I was trying to I didn't even wait for confirmation. No, I didn't even do this. I didn't do this. I just thought, these are the things that you have to take notes. If you are doing this, if you do it for 1 or 2 or 3, no, trading is about changing your pattern. So in time will come, those patterns are printed the last 2, 3 or 4 months. Will come again. I remember you and I lost you. This time I will win you. Am I talking to someone? So that is exactly how to trade. That is what trading is all about. It will keep predicting. It will keep pointing another pattern, the same pattern, not that, but has repeated years after years. You keep doing it, come over and over for you. So if you are studying them, if you are noticing them, even whenever you lost or you win them, you always be able to handle them next time they come to your way. Am I talking to someone? So this is how trading is all about. With these tips, with all of this, following them ritually, you are following them God, you are following them in-depthly and accordingly, you will definitely find yourself in profit in 3 to 6 months. Do them and come back to me and tell me you're not profitable. Come on, yes, I'm telling you, I've done this thing and I'm profitable. I will tell you, do them. So doing this stuff will definitely what punch you and then launch you into what into the profitability zone that you have been all waiting for, you all desire to be. Am I talking to someone? So this is exactly all the things you need to do. So go and do them and put them into practice and come back to me and thank me later. If you enjoyed this video today, don't forget to watch, like, subscribe, and comment on the comment section, or turn on your notification to always get awesome videos, tips, strategies, and helpful videos like this from us. And this is what we do in this channel. Don't forget to like, once again, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for listening. Thanks for your audience. And bye for now, guys. Peace out, my people. Bye for now. Cheers. Peace out.